Children, today we are doing English grammar and the lesson that we are taking is pronouns. Pronouns is lesson number 8 from your English grammar book. Children, you have done pronouns in class 2 also. Here we will be doing pronouns in a bit detail. Children, now let us look what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Any word used in place of noun is a pronoun. Let us look at an example. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. Here, children, instead of repeating Mr. Mohanlal many times, we have used the word he. So, he is used in place of Mr. Mohanlal. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. You is a pronoun that can also come in the telling part. Children, I, he, she and it are used for singular nouns while you, we and they are used for plural nouns. Let us look at an example. The village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. It is used for singular noun, the village, while they have been used for rivers, plural nouns. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Now let us look at some examples, children. It is an important game. You must play as a team. Here, you has been used for plural noun team. Next example. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? Children, here you has been used for singular noun. The words me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. He is my father. I adore him. Here, him has been used in place of he. Children, me, him, her, it are used in place of singular nouns, while us and them are used in place of plural nouns. Let us look at some examples. They are my grandparents. I help them. Here, them has been used in place of grandparents, while in the next example, Nikki has pet. It is a dog. Children, here it has been used to replace pet. What we saw, children, that you is used for both singular and plural nouns in any part of a sentence. Let us look at some more examples. You are my best friend. I like to play with you. You are my parents. I am proud of you. Children, let us learn about object and subject pronoun. Subject pronoun does the action in a sentence. Subject pronoun is used to talk about the person or thing that does the action. For example, he drives a bus. Here, he is a subject pronoun that is doing the action. Object pronoun is the receiver of an action. Object pronoun is used to talk about the person or thing that receives the action. For example, I saw him today. Dave saw me today. Here, children, him and me are object pronoun. That is all for the day, children. Thank you